Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn, Apply, and Build in this amazing course for finance with Python, a hands on experience. And today, for the first lecture, we are going to see how to get Python installed on your machine. So, let's get started very quickly and open python.org on your machine, on your browser, and go to downloads. Now, once you have opened downloads, just scroll down and try to visualize or try to search Python version here, which is like, let's say 3.10, or the best I would suggest is Python 3.10.8. So once you have that, just scroll down, and for the Windows people or for the Windows users, you can install this, the Windows installer, that is 64-bit. Okay, just click on it and it will download for you the Windows exe, the exe file. So once that file is downloaded, what you need to do is just double click. So the basic steps to just double click and then just follow the steps, that is next, 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 and then just install them, right? So I have Python installed on my machine currently. So what I'll do is I'll open that 3.8. Now I have Python already installed on my machine. So that is why I won't have the installation file or the installation path. So I will have to modify it here. But you will have to just click on install and then follow certain steps. Now here, don't have to do anything. Just while you are installing, you have to add Python to environment variables. So don't forget to click on this add Python to environment variables and then click on install. For me, it will be quicker. For you guys, it will be a bit slower because you don't have Python installed. So it will install all the dependencies and all the necessary binaries and files required, packages required, and then it will complete. Now, the next step here is how to check. Now, see, we have installed the Python on our machine. Now, how to check whether Python is installed or no. So go to command prompt here. In your search bar, search for command prompt, CMD. And once you get that, just search Python and press enter. So when you search for Python, or when you type a command, not search, type a command Python and then press enter. So what happens is you get this output here, that is Python 3.8, and then there is something like type help, copyright credits, or license for more information, right? So this indicates that Python is now installed on your machine. Okay, so this was a basic setup of how to get Python installed. Now for the Windows installer, this was the method to install or to get Python installed on your machine. For Mac installer, you can, for the Mac users, you can see the another video, that is the next video, wherein I've explained for the Mac users how to get Python installed on your machines as well. Okay, so thank you guys and happy learning.